It is not unusual for a client to walk into our showroom and say, I would absolutely love to have this look in my home, but I have kids, pets, and I love my red wine. While these three very important things in our life may seem like an obstacle to creating a beautiful space, I am going to challenge that line of thinking today. So our lighter fabrics all tend to be performance fabrics, which means they are sun and stain resistant, perfect for kids, pets, and wine. Oops. So immediately after a spill, you can usually just use an absorbent rag to blot it right up. No harm, no foul. But I'm going to let it settle in for a bit so I can easily show you how it is to clean. So you're going to need a couple of things that you usually have at home. A soft absorbent rag, a mild detergent. I like to have a spray bottle in hand with 1/4 teaspoon of the detergent and a cup of water. And the other thing that you could use is a soft brush, and toothbrushes work great. So the key thing to remember is not to scrub or rub. Instead, blot with a clean, dry cloth. Mist your cleaning solution, work the solution with a soft bristle brush, and rinse, or should I say, blot. And then you simply let air dry. The truth of the matter is whether you have a dark or a light sofa, spills will happen and dogs and kids will get their dirty paws on their way to your upholstery. We have more tips and tricks coming next week about living life beautifully with kids, pets, and red wine. So be sure and subscribe below or follow our page. I'll see you next week. Cheers.